In today's session, we will see how we can turn off or turn on a PLC output using a single momentary push button. And we will try to write a program code in the PLC. Please note one thing, that this push button is not a hold on or latch on push button. It is a simple momentary push button. This is Nadeem and you are watching PLC Programming Tutorials YouTube channel. Before starting today's session, I would highly recommend you guys to please subscribe this channel for more upcoming video tutorials. In today's tutorial, we have connected a push button at I0.0 input of the PLC, and a contactor for a pump is connected at the Q0.0 output of the PLC. Now we have to program the PLC in such a way that if we press the push button I0.0 once momentarily, it will turn on the output Q0.0. And this output Q0.0 should stay on even if we release the push button I0.0. Next, if we press the push button I0.0 momentarily, it should turn off the PLC output Q0.0. So, we are turning on and turning off the output Q0.0 using a single I0.0 PLC input. Let's go to the Schematic Manager software for programming. So first of all, we will insert our network here. So by right clicking, we will insert a new network here. And for this tutorial, we will be using a SR flip-flop instruction. So we can add this SR flip-flop instruction onto our network by dragging it or by double clicking on it. And as you can see that this SR instruction has two inputs and one output. This SR flip-flop instruction is used to latch on or latch off a digital memory bit, or it can also latch on or off our digital PLC output. So today we will be using this SR flip-flop instruction to latch on or latch off the output Q0.0. As you can see that this SR flip-flop has two inputs. The first one is the set and the second one is the reset input. Whenever this set input is high, it will latch on our output, and whenever this reset input is high, it will latch off the output from the SR flip-flop. So today our target is to turn on the output Q0.0 whenever we press the push button I0.0. So we will insert a normal open contact of the push button I0.0. The next step is that this SR flip-flop should only latch on the output Q0.0 on the rising edge of this push button I0.0. So to detect a rising edge, we have to use the positive edge detection instruction. We can double click on this instruction to add this instruction at this point, and we can give it any memory bit. For today's, we will give it M0.0. And the next thing is to assign an output of the PLC. So today we will be using our output Q0.0. So we can assign here Q0.0. So for now you can see that whenever we press the push button and it's just at the rising edge of this input, the SR flip-flop instruction will latch on the output Q0.0. Once the output Q0.0 is high, the next step is to turn off this Q0.0 output whenever we press again the I0.0 push button. So to do this, we will insert a branch here, and we will use here the normal close contact of the input I0.0. So once the output Q0.0 is on, we can use its normal open contact here. So we will insert a normal open contact of Q0.0. You can see here that once our output Q0.0 is high, this normal open contact will be closed. And as we have already released the push button, this normal close contact is also closed now. Next thing we need here is a negative edge detection instruction. We can double click on it and we can give it any memory bit like 0.1, and we can join this instruction at the reset input of the SR flip-flop. As you can see here that our push button normal close contact is closed and our pump is running, so this contact will be closed, and whenever next time we will press this push button, we will detect here a negative edge by this instruction. It will generate a pulse at the reset input of the SR flip-flop for the 1 PLC scan cycle, which is enough to reset the output Q0.0. So we can summarize here that whenever we press a push button on its rising edge, it will turn on the Q0.0 output, and once the Q0.0 output is on and we have released the push button, so this normal close contact is closed, this NO contact is closed because our output is on, and whenever this time if we press the push button here, this normal close contact will get opened up and it will create a negative edge here, and this negative edge will be detected by this negative edge detection instruction at the reset, and it will create a pulse at the reset input of the SR flip-flop, and it will latch off the Q0.0 output. Now we will upload this program into the PLC and monitor the logic, and let's see how does it works. As you can see that as soon as I press the push button I0.0, momentarily it will turn on or latch on the output Q0.0, and the output Q0.0 will stay latched on even if we release the push button I0.0. As you can see that whenever next time I will momentarily press this push button, it will reset the pump Q0.0 output and it will latch off our output Q0.0. So this ladder works as per our application requirement. So that's the end of the today's tutorial. I hope you like it. Please do share, like and subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon to get notified for the new upcoming video tutorials. And till next time, take care and goodbye.